possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Repeating, a high wind warning has been issued from 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday for the following counties: